SOS mode on your T-Mobile phone occurs when the device loses cellular network connection, restricting use to emergency calls only. This happens when your phone cannot connect to T-Mobile's cellular towers. T-Mobile's network uses various frequency bands for coverage across the US. SOS mode shows different indicators on your device. On iPhones, you'll see an SOS icon in the status bar. Android devices show no service or SOS-only messages. Several factors can cause SOS mode on T-Mobile devices. Physical SIM cards may become loose or corrupted. eSIM activation problems are common with T-Mobile's increasing eSIM adoption. Poor cellular coverage, especially in rural or obstructed areas, is a major cause. The map shows T-Mobile's coverage across the US. Signal strength fluctuates. When it drops too low, SOS mode activates. Software issues like corrupted network settings or conflicts can trigger SOS mode, even with good coverage. T-Mobile network congestion or brief outages can also cause SOS mode. To identify the cause, check your SIM card, verify coverage in the area, test in different locations, and try restarting your device. Start by checking your physical SIM card. Power off your phone, remove the SIM card, and reinsert it securely. For eSIM users, go to Settings, then Cellular, and select Add eSIM Plan to ensure proper activation. Next, verify your coverage using T-Mobile's coverage map or an app like Ookla Speed Test. Look for a signal strength of 90 to 70 dBm or better. If coverage isn't the issue, perform a network reset. On iOS, go to Settings, General, Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. On Android, navigate to System, Advanced, Reset Options, and choose Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. As a last resort, consider a factory reset, but back up your data first. Keep your device software updated and contact T-Mobile support if the issue persists.